I want to talk about the methods to do private call on Retevis RT73. The first method, software programming. Create a single channel for transmit to this private contact. You should create a private call, private ID on the contact list, and you two are using the same frequency. And then write this to your RT73. Switch when you want to call him. Switch to this channel and directly press the PTT transmit to this private person. Okay, let we have a test. I have already programmed my private channel on my RT73, and this is the receives radio. Let we press the PTT. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first method. And the second method, menu dial to a private call. On the radio, you can go to the contact menu dial, tap his ID. Here, and then direct press the PTT. CQ. This is the second method. And okay, let me try the third method. You can find here you maybe have some other private call on your contact list, and switch the rotor knob to that one, and press the PTT. You will transmit to him. And also, if you upload some many ham private on your RT73 and find one, stop here and press the PTT. You also can transmit to him. This is the 3 methods to do private call on RT73.